Okay, Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Word of Health. In my last video, previous video, I talked about fear. And nowadays, most of the people have fear of corona, but I am taking this subject as a general. And we can think it on the terms of corona also. And a few of my viewers requested me to talk about the birth of the fear. How do fear takes birth? Just like this. How do fear takes birth? डर कैसे पैदा होता है? There are infinite number of reasons which gives birth to fear. But I am going to talk about very important aspects of the birth of fear. This fear is more dangerous than the danger itself. This fear is more dangerous than the danger itself. This fear is a baby of the doubt. What will happen tomorrow? What will happen next? What will happen to my family? What will happen to my job? What will happen to my house? What will happen to my health? Many things. The coming events, the worry, the thinking what will happen gives birth to fear. Now again, this fear, ये जो fear है, ये हमें आगे का सोचते हैं हम जब कि कल क्या होगा, मेरी जॉब के साथ क्या होगा, मेरे बिजनेस के साथ क्या होगा, मेरी हेल्थ के साथ क्या होगा, मेरी फैमिली के साथ क्या होगा, वो जो सोच है उसका जो इफेक्ट है वो डर बन जाता है इन हिंदी. नौ, अब ये डर 3 स्टेजेस में शेप लेता है. दिस फियर टेक्स बर्थ in 3 stages. First of all, it comes to us in the egg shape and known as worry. It is egg shape. Just like a अंडे की शक्ल में ये आता है और चिंता ये फिकर की शेप में आता है, egg shape में. It is in the egg shape, then it is known as worry. No. It gets more mature. It gets in the shape of a child. बच्चे की फॉर्म में जब आता है तो it is anxiety. और चिंता, and in Hindi चिंता is चिता समान. The worry is just like a grave. The anxiety, if you keep anxiety always with you, it is just like a grave. So, first stage, egg shape, is worry, or in Hindi, fikr. The second stage, childhood of this, is anxiety or this chinta. Then the third stage, when it gets mature or young, then it is fear. जब ये जवान हो जाता है थर्ड स्टेज पे तो ये फियर की शेप ले लेता है. Then it stays with us. Very important. There are infinite reasons, but these are the very facts of this birth, how it takes shape. If we don't let that worry happen, it can't take the shape of a dar ya fear. If we are that strong, we don't let the worry come to us and all that and let it grow. No, it can't come to the shape of a fear. So, for a common man, not for the saints and very strong and very thoughtful people, for a common man, 3 stages give birth to fear. First is the egg shape. I just said egg shape is worry or fikr. Then the second shape is anxiety or chinta. Then the third shape is fear when it gets young or dar. No. This is all man-made. You believe it, you will be fine. You don't believe it, you will have to suffer. Suppose I am living in a house and somebody comes that the whole area is on fire. I have never seen that. But I take it that the whole area is on the fire, my area, and it is coming to my house. I have never seen it, and somebody is telling me, just like the media tell us, and I am gone. Many people in this get heart attack and all that and this and that. ये जो कोई आके आपको कहता है कि आपका एरिया को आग लग गई है और आपके घर की ओर आग आ रही है, तो आपको एक मैसेज मिला, आपने देखा नहीं, आपने कुछ नहीं किया, आपको वो एक डर की शेप दे के आपको कुछ भी हार्ट अटैक दे सकता है, कुछ गड़बड़ कर सकता है. बट यू नेवर सॉ दैट. दैट इज मीडिया इज डूइंग दैट. दैट इज डर. सो नो, द main thing, it is man-made fear. Fear is always mostly man-made. And why the man make is few top personalities of the world, countries and parties, they do it. They do it for the sake of power, for the sake of money, for the sake of control. 3 चीज़ें जो हैं, पैसा, पावर और कंट्रोल, ये तीनों उसको कई लोगों को जो काउंटेड डिग्नेटरीज, बोथ रिच पीपल और सम की फिगर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, let them excite them to make fear. Fear, they create the environment of the fear. Due to these 3 reasons. And when this fear is created, जब ये fear शक्ल ले लेता है अपनी, तो इंसान के सेंसर सिस्टम और सब चीज stops working. A human being's brain, regular person I am talking about, brain and everything stops working. He is not going to listen anybody. He said, oh, it is there. It is more than a rat race. It's more than a, my goodness, what I should say. ये rat race की तरह वो कहेगा कि वो सुनेगा ही नहीं. लाखों लोग कह रहे हैं, तो मैं आपकी कैसे मान लूँ? How do I can agree you when millions of people are this? But that is all due to that environment of fear. So this man-made fear comes in front of us due to few people's greed of power, greed of money, greed of control. They play with the millions and trillions of billions of people's life. My goodness. So, no. When this fear starts walking with us, becomes a part of our life, जब ये डर हमारे जीवन का हिस्सा बन जाता है, तो then those people or parties cash it in a big way. तब ये जो forces हैं जिन्होंने ये बनाया था वो इसको कैश करती हैं. You believe it or not, it's very difficult to make such a video when everybody tell everything coming in front of us is real. This is happening, that is happening. They have never seen anything. If it was not the name of corona or something other fear, even then it happens. The people do suffer from diseases. People do suffer from consequences and go to hospitals and all that. But when you take the shape of this, then those people can cash it. And within few years, when the things will come in front of us, we can see what was there. But at this point of time, it's very difficult to tell all this. And if somebody do this and take care of all these things what I am talking, he can be forceful, powerful, immune system will be fine, and every system will be fine, and we can stay fine. But still we take precautions of everything, because most of the people are still in the rat race. They are not going to listen. They say, this is happening, this fear, that fear. They have not that deep or vast way of thinking. So I will be making more and more videos on this fear, a series rather, because there are many other phases also of this fear. But today we talked, it takes birth in 3 stages. It is man-made. It is due to the greed of all those people, and then they make the fear walk with us, then they cash it, and this is this. So the birth of the fear is due to those reasons. So we will talk about the other stages, other reasons and many things of this in the coming videos. Okay, namaskar.